Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, I am from Mitson and welcome to this review of the Next.js-react-the-complete-guide course on Udemy. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the course and what you can expect from it. Course objectives. The course aims to provide a comprehensive guide to Next.js, a powerful React framework for building web applications. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of Next.js and its capabilities, as well as the skills to build and deploy your own web applications. Targeted audience. This course is suitable for anyone with a basic understanding of React who wants to take their skills to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate React developer, this course will provide you with a solid foundation in Next.js. Course content. The course is divided into 8 sections, covering a range of topics including Next.js fundamentals, routing, data fetching, deployment, and more. Here's a brief overview of each section. Section 1. Introduction to Next.js. This section provides an overview of Next.js and its key features, including server-side rendering, static site generation, and automatic routing. Section 2. Setting up a Next.js project. You'll learn how to set up a new Next.js project and explore the project structure. Section 3. Fundamentals of Next.js. This section covers the basics of Next.js, including components, props, and state management. You'll also learn about the Next.js data fetching methods and how to use them to fetch data from APIs. Section 4. Routing in Next.js. Next.js has a built-in router that allows you to create dynamic routes and handle page navigation. In this section, you'll learn how to define routes, handle page navigation, and create nested routes. Section 5. Static site generation in Next.js. Static site generation, SSG, is a feature in Next.js that allows you to pre-render pages at build time, resulting in faster page loads and better SEO. You'll learn how to use SSG to pre-render pages and optimize your web application's performance. Section 6. Server-side rendering in Next.js. Server-side rendering, SSR, allows you to render pages on the server and send the fully rendered HTML to the client. In this section, you'll learn how to use SSR to handle dynamic data and improve the SEO of your web application. Section 7. Data fetching in Next.js. Next.js provides several methods for fetching data from APIs, including getStaticProps, getServerSideProps, and useEffect. In this section, you'll learn how to use these methods to fetch data and pass it to your components. Section 8. Deploying your Next.js application. Finally, you'll learn how to deploy your Next.js application to popular platforms such as Vercel and AWS Amplify. Overall impressions. In my opinion, this course is an excellent choice for anyone looking to learn Next.js.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.